Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fur sleeve situation on my old jacket that I had. I had a jacket for a couple years, so I decided to add some, spice to it. You could get boas from any craft store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, fabric stores, anywhere. This is a pretty easy DIY. All I did was just pretty much glue gun it around the sleeves and wrapped it around, so it's pretty simple. Right here I'm just filling in some spots. I had some like empty areas and I wanted to fill it in. I used a different kind of feather, but I did not like this one because it shed so much. So if you're gonna buy it, just use the first kind that I showed you, not this kind. So this is the jacket so far. Hold on. You can see, hold on. So this is the jacket so